All right, dear children, welcome back to the class. We are discussing this word problems on quadratic equations, and we have reached the fifth video. Let's directly get into this fifth question. Please make a note of this question, and after writing this question, pause the video and try to solve so that you get a complete feel of this. All right, let's have a look at this fifth question. The fifth question is like this. All right, a bus traveled 120 kilometer to reach Mumbai. All right, it's going to Mumbai and it traveled 120 kilometer to reach Mumbai. On the way back means while coming from Mumbai. On the way back, due to road construction, due to road construction, bus traveled 10 kilometer per hour slower. All right, I mean speed has reduced by 10 kilometer. I mean initially while going to Mumbai, if it was 80, here it is 70, that is 80 minus 10. While going, if it was x, now it is x minus 10. All right, and it took extra 2 hours. How many hours it took extra 2 hours it took. All right, now they're asking how fast did the bus go. How fast did the bus traveled? How fast did the bus traveled to Mumbai? All right, they are asking the speed. I mean, a bus traveled 120 kilometer to reach Mumbai. No, I mean while going, with how much speed it went, they are asking. All right, now what we'll do, let us assume, I mean speed of bus. Let speed of bus to Mumbai, I mean when it was going towards Mumbai, let the speed be x kilometer per hour. All right, let us take it as x kilometer per hour. Now when it was going to Mumbai, what was the distance here? The distance was like 120 kilometer, no? All right, 120 kilometer. Now let us assume while while going to Mumbai, it took time t1. So time is equal to, everybody knows this, no? So that is going to be distance divided by speed, right? Distance divided by speed, d divided by speed, I mean d by, yes, we write usually, but distance by speed, I mean you can write it completely also, no issues. Distance is like 120 kilometer, and how about the speed? Speed is like x, so that is like a time t1. All right, it took time t1, so let me name it as equation number 1. All right, now on the way back, what happened, tell me. On the way back, I mean distance is same, no? Distance is going to remain same, that is 120 kilometer only. But how about the speed? Now on the way back, due to this road work, the bus has traveled 10 kilometer per hour slower, no? So that is like, what will be the speed? X minus 10 kilometer per hour. All right, because while going the speed was x, and while coming back it is less, I mean less speed means x minus 10, no? All right, now here let us assume the time is like t2. Now here this time is going to be more. Why this time is going to be more, please tell me? Because speed is less. Okay, so whatever this speed is there, this is less, so that's why it is going to take more time. So what is the formula for this time? So this time is also same, distance divided by speed. All right, so what is the value of distance? The value of distance is 120 divided by, what is the speed? The speed is going to be x minus 10. All right, so this is the value of t2, so let me take it as equation number 2. All right, now this t2 is more and this t1 is less. All right, are you understanding? Now what is the difference between these two? Now here, for example, it took 10 hours means here it will be taking 12 hours, no? Because in the question they are saying, I mean it took extra 2 hours. That means, so whatever this time period is there, no? So in this time period t2, if you minus this t1, all right, so what you are going to get here? So this t2 is more, no? From this t2, if you minus this t1, I am going to get this as 2 hours. So I am getting this as 2 hours, please tell me. Because this is traveling with less speed here. Less speed means it is going to take more time. So 2 hours more. This is 10 hours means this is going to be 12 hours. So that's why t2 minus t1 is 2 hours. And you know the formula for t2. So what is this t2? T2 is here 120 divided by x minus 10. All right, so 120 divided by x minus 10 minus 120 divided by x, because t1 is 120 by x. That's what we have written there, and that is equal to 2. All right, so both the sides are 120 is there. You can take that 120 common. So once you take 120 common, what remains inside? That is like 1 divided by x minus 10 minus 1 divided by x, and this is equal to 2. So you can cancel this 2 ones are 2 6 and 0s. I mean, don't go behind this conventional calculation. Don't keep this 120 intact like that only. You try to reduce that so that your calculations becomes much more easier. So 60 bracket, what is the LCM here? The LCM is going to be x minus 10 into x. All right, so that's why into x I will do, and into x minus 10. All right, so 1 into x is x minus, whenever minus is there you should be careful, then minus bracket x minus 10, and that is equal to 1. All right, so then I'm going to keep 60 here, then in bracket x, then minus x, then minus into minus is plus 10 divided by x into x is x square, and minus 10 into x is minus 10x, and that is equal to 1. All right, so here x and minus x, they got cancelled, and 60 into 10, it is going to be 600, and that is divided by x square minus 10x, and that is equal to 1. All right, so 600 is equal to, I mean, I'm going to send this side, so this becomes into, right, 1 is there, so that's why you can exactly copy this, that is x square minus 10x. So now I'm going to send this 600 that side, so it becomes x square minus 10x, then minus 600 is equal to 0. All right, now you solve this and you are going to get the value of x here. So that is the speed of the bus towards Mumbai. All right, now how to do this? Now if you write a 600, that to minus 600, and writing the factors will be a stupid way of looking at the things here. So that's why you have to think here. Now look at this, here 10 is there, minus 10, and here minus 600. Don't you think it has to be x square minus 30x plus 20x? Because minus 30x plus 20x means it is minus 10x, and minus 30 into 20, 30 into 20, it is going to be 600, right? And that to minus 30 into 20, so that is going to be 3 2s are 6 and double 0, and minus into plus is minus, it's going to work out, then minus 600 is equal to 0. All right, so now in the starting two terms you take x common, and x minus, see dear children, these kind of things will come. So whatever I have done here, so this will come to you with the due course of time, with the help of practice. You have to practice, you have to come across all these kind of situations, then only you are able to understand. All right, find that x bracket x minus 30, and here also I'm going to have x minus 30 only. So you just adjust this, this is 20x, no, just write it as plus 20 into x is 20x, and 20 into minus 30 is minus 600, and that is equal to 0. All right, so I'm going to have x plus 20 into x minus 30, and that is equal to 0. And here I'm going to have x plus 20 is equal to 0, or x minus 30 is equal to 0. So I'm going to get the value of x as minus 20, which one we are going to neglect, and next one is like x is equal to 30. So we are going to neglect it. So I'm going to say it neglect it, because speed cannot be, negative. All right, so I'm going to write now, therefore speed of bus towards Mumbai, or when it was going towards Mumbai, is equal to x, and the value of x is 30. So 30 kilometer per hour. All right, I hope you are enjoying all these kind of videos, and please try to have a look at this t2 minus t1, why it has become equal to 2, because difference is 2 hours, no? It is going to take 2 more hours. I mean, otherwise you can understand this one as t2 is equal to, if you send that side, it becomes a plus t1, no, otherwise it becomes a 2 plus t1. So 2 plus t1 can be written as t2 is equal to t1 plus 2, no? So initially whatever time it was taking, that was t1, and afterwards it is taking 2 hours more, no? So look at this, I mean, according to that only I have written this equation. All right, at least by after explaining this, I hope you are able to get the logic. All right, So I hope you guys are liking these videos, and subscribe to the channel so that the subscriber base increases, and it will be the YouTube algorithm will be suggesting all these videos to many more people like you, so that it reaches maximum number of people. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye bye.